Ever wondered how sustainability organizations make climate action feel personal and actionable? Here's how. The Nature Conservancy does it with the help of an interactive carbon footprint calculator. Instead of asking visitors to estimate their environmental impact on their own, the calculator guides them through a series of questions about their lifestyle and daily habits, such as how many people live in your household? What is your approximate gross annual household income? How do you get around? How much do you use in your home in terms of electricity, natural gas, heating oil, and other fuels, square feet of living space, water usage, and many more? Based on their responses, the calculator estimates their total carbon footprint and helps users take action. This creates a more engaging experience, helps users understand their personal impact on the planet, and encourages them to take meaningful steps towards sustainability. Now, let's break down how you can recreate a similar carbon footprint calculator using Outgrow. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and clicking Calculator. Next, browse the template library and choose a calculator template or start from scratch. Once inside the builder, you can begin adding your questions such as, how many people live in your household? What type of home do you live in? What is your average monthly electricity consumption? Primary cooking fuel. Average daily air conditioner usage. Do you use renewable energy at home? Primary mode of transport? And more. Now let's move to the results section. This is where the magic happens. Based on the user's input, you can calculate their estimated carbon footprint using Outgrow's built-in calculator logic and formulas. The first result displays your estimated annual carbon footprint. This estimate is calculated using information they've provided about their household energy consumption, water usage, lifestyle choices, and more, giving them a clear picture of their environmental impact. The second result highlights you could reduce approximately. It encourages sustainable actions like reducing electricity consumption, using public transportation, increasing recycling, and more. To make the results even more engaging, you can add relevant images or illustrations to each outcome card. You can also add a CTA button like Learn How to Reduce My Footprint, directing users to blog posts, sustainability resources, donation pages, or environmental initiatives. Next comes lead generation. Before revealing the results, you can add an optional lead form asking for the user's name and email address. This helps you capture high-intent leads while delivering personalized insights in return. To ensure your calculator reflects your brand identity, head over to the Overall Design tab. Here you can customize your logo, brand colors, fonts, layouts, and visual elements to create a clean, engaging, and trustworthy sustainability experience. Once everything is ready, click Go Live. You can then share your calculator via a direct link, embed it on your website, add it to landing pages, or include it in email campaigns. And just like that, you've created a personalized carbon footprint calculator using Outgrow. That's how easy it is to turn environmental awareness into an engaging, educational, and lead-generating interactive experience. Want to build your own carbon footprint calculator or sustainability experience? Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow to create interactive calculators that engage users, build awareness, and drive conversions. No coding needed.